Good evening and welcome to Such the Reality. Let's have a quick look at the latest updates from various places around the world. A sweeping foreign aid package easily passed the US Congress after months of delay, clearing the way for billions of dollars in fresh Ukraine funding amid advances from Russia's invasion force and Kyiv's shortages of military supplies. The Senate approved by 79 to 18 four bills passed by the House of Representatives on Saturday after House Republican leaders abruptly switched course last week and allowed a vote on the $95 billion in mostly military aid for Ukraine, Israel, Taiwan, and US partners in the Indo-Pacific. Hundreds of thousands of Argentines took to the streets of Buenos Aires in an anti-government march against budget cuts to public universities. The biggest protest yet against President Javier Milei's painful austerity measures. The demonstrations are the latest example of rising tension over the spending cuts that are helping undo a deep fiscal deficit but causing hardship in the real economy. In the union-backed marches in the capital and beyond, banners were held aloft in the southern autumn sunshine, reading "Defend the Public Universities, starting is the right end, up with a budget, down with Milei's plan." Protests against Israel filled streets in Brooklyn and escalated at universities across the United States, some of which included Jewish Passover Seders as demonstrators demanded an end to civil casualties in Gaza. The growing protests follow mass arrests of demonstrators at some East Coast universities in recent days and show a deepening dissatisfaction in the United States, historically Israel's most important ally, with the course of the war with Hamas. Pro-Palestinians protests have followed President Joe Biden, a self-declared Zionist, for months. Kim Yo-jong, the powerful sister of North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, said the country will continue to build overwhelming and the strongest military power to protect its sovereignty and regional peace. Kim said a series of military exercises by the US military in the region this year, starting with live fire drills conducted with the South Korean puppet military gangsters, are driving the regional security environment into dangerous turmoil. Tesla, TSLA.O, opens new tab, said on Tuesday it would introduce new models by early 2025 using its current platforms and production lines as it retreated from more ambitious plans to produce an all-new model that had been expected to cost $25,000. The talk of new offsprings on a faster timeline sent Tesla shares soaring in after-hours trading, a much-needed boost after months of decline, during which Tesla has struggled with fierce competition and falling sales. The gains came despite Tesla releasing first quarter results that missed Wall Street expectations. Chief Executive Elon Musk declined to provide details of the new vehicles but said they would include more affordable models that would start production by early 2025. Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.